Hey, what up, y'all? Today we're gonna be changing out our propane, and guess what? Walmart doesn't do it anymore. It's self-service. They got the machine out there, but you got to do it yourself. So ride along with me while we change out the old propane and exchange it for a new one. All right, y'all, we got it loaded, but first thing, please don't forget to take off your gauge meter, because guess what? They do not replace that, and you actually buy these separately. This is all you need. Make sure it's closed. And now we finna ride to the store. Let's ride. All right, y'all, we're at the touchscreen kiosk. Push the button.
Select credit card, store code.
We're gonna use our card.
Select an option below. Exchange, $19.92. No exchange, $54 plus tax.
All right, so it said exchange. That means that we're gonna swap out our old one and get a new one. Or if we did no exchange, that means that we don't have a tank and that we're coming to get our first one. We're gonna pick exchange. Hit continue.
Do you have your empty tank with you and ready to exchange?
Yes, we got our tank.
Please swipe, tap, or insert.
And we gonna swipe it and see what it say. Oh, guess what? If you got a chip reader, it wants you to read. It want to read the chip.
Processing.
Yay, we've been approved, y'all. As you can see,
Insert empty tank in door D4 and close door completely.
it opened up. Take your empty tank, make sure it's closed. Put it in there.
Close door completely.
Now, oh, look at that. We ain't even have to move.
Remove fresh tank from door E1.
Grab your new tank.
Close door completely.
I'm putting it in the buggy because I don't want to carry it. All right, back to the car to load it up. All right, y'all, so you can see I've got it exchanged, and it was a little bit easier than I thought. Not sure if you guys ever wanted to know how, but I've always been curious, and this was my first time doing it. And I'm happy they do it this way instead of the other way, because management take forever to come out there and help you exchange it. But now that I know how to do it, that's what I'll be doing. So look forward to some grilling now that I got some propane. So sometime it'll be on the gas grill, sometime it'll be on the charcoal grill. But until next time, thanks for hanging out with me. I would take you back home with me, but I don't think you got no gas money.